Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to use Sephora Beauty Bag feature. So the Sephora Beauty Bag feature generally refers to a free gift with purchase promotion, often called a beauty bag, mystery bag, or a sample bag, or curated Sephora favorite set. Here's how to use it and claim them. So first things first, many promotions require using the Sephora application. So go ahead and download it if you haven't already. These bags are usually free with a specific minimum purchase, which often ranges from $100 to over $150. Or even £100 or £135, depending on the region and specific promotion. The free bag is typically added automatically to your basket once the send or the spend threshold is met. Some bags are available online, while others are limited to the in-store purchases, particularly during special events. These offers are available while stocks last and are often limited time promotions. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.